welcome back to the channel, everybody. Again, another week down. It's Tuesday. We're gonna do our little tool review Tuesday. So today we're gonna be talking about this Craftsman 48-piece impact socket set, and these are all half-inch drive sockets. Bought these from Lowe's, actually. I think I may have bought them on sale. I'm not sure how much, but currently they are running about $182 on Lowe's. So get them while you can. So I like to keep this little piece of foam in here because these are just sitting. So all these sockets on bottom are loose, whereas these up here, these are snapped in. So first thing I want to talk about is things I like about them. So I like how they are, I've got both deep sockets and I've got the short sockets as well. Come in handy all the time, especially working on stuff, you know, like larger trucks and whatnot. Also for markings, you know, a lot of sockets you have to sit here and find the stamp on the bottom, and it's just small, you can't really see it. But let's see if we can get a good angle here, maybe in the sun. Okay, you see how it has the big stamp, big marking for like a 3/4. This is a 3/4 inch socket. So it's for people like me, it's easy to read. Even on the small sockets, it also has markings. It goes all the way up to a 27 millimeter for your metric, and then for your standard size, a what is this, an inch and a 1/16, which is a pretty massive socket. It's a pretty big socket there. And as you guys know, if you work on like 3/4 tons and even some half tons, you know, you get into some really big stuff. So these are really nice, plus they're impact rated, so you don't have to worry about cracking one. And if you do, they do have warranty on them. So I'm not sure if it's lifetime or limited lifetime or whatever, but I do really like that. Also, all these sockets have a little hole there for the little pin on your drive or whatever. But these sockets have definitely came in handy for us several times here on the channel. You could refer back to the video where we were putting the lift kit on Jake's Ford Ranger, and I don't remember which socket we were using. I want to say it was maybe this 24 or something, whatever we were using. We were using a socket as an extension for a press to press his torsion bar keys in, and it was definitely shady. I'm surprised something didn't break, but we actually didn't break anything, so glad about that. All right, the bracket bolts here are going to be a 21 millimeter on this truck. We're going to use our impact to get it off. All right, so let's talk about some of the things I don't like about these sockets. First is going to be the fact that these are only 6-point sockets. They are not 12. I really wish they were 12-point sockets. You know, sometimes the only way you can get a socket or get a turn in on a bolt or a nut is if they are 12-point. So you know, that's always kind of a downset. But the other thing that I've kind of didn't really care for is, you know, these are impact sockets, so they have a really thick sidewall, which they're impact sockets, but you know, sometimes you need a thin wall socket to get it into where you're working, you know. So that's kind of that's a minor downfall, I would say. But other than that, honestly, there's really nothing else I could really complain about with these particular sockets. Even the paint, the color of them, it's lasting quite well. So you can see some of them that I've used a lot, like this, like the 21 millimeter. I've used quite a bit. You can see it's starting to wear. Same thing with the 24 millimeter. But overall, like, I mean, these are pretty solid. This is a pretty solid socket set. So, you know, you should definitely go down to your local Lowe's and pick you up a set. They have a lot of different sets now at Lowe's for Craftsman that they offer. You'll actually see probably another set that's maybe similar that Jake has on the channel here, so stay tuned for that. But like I said, other than that, I can't really complain about anything with these. So like I said before, make sure you go pick up a set of these, about $182 down at your Lowe's. Also, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. And other than that, we'll see you guys next time on the channel. Thanks.